Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss how an admin panel of MyClass Campus work out. So first you will open the myclasscampus.com website, then you will log in with your mobile number and password. Once you log in, you will see this admin dashboard. So this admin dashboard will be visible to only admins of different institutes. So as you log in, you will see all these side menu options. Here first option is like dashboard where we are currently, then second option is my sub institutes. So if a owner is running multiple branches or colleges or schools, then they can create multiple institutes. Now first step will be of adding users. Now there are three different type of users. First is student, faculties and owners. So when you want to add a student, just click on that. Now here you have two options. You can add individual student by GR number or any random serial number, name, mobile number, parent number if you have, and email ID if you have. Here you can enter student's mobile number or parent's mobile number as per the requirement, or both as well. Same thing, if you want to enter multiple number of students like 50, 100 students together, then you can simply download this sample user file, then open it and then create sheet of all the students directly, and then save it, and then you can attach that same file here and add here. So it will directly add those students. It will send SMS to all the students and parents on their respective numbers with a app download link through which they can download the app and register in the system. So this is how you can add students. Now faculties, so same way you can add individual faculties as well as faculty through seat. Owners, here if you want to provide this admin access to some other faculties or your staff, then you can do that by adding their name and mobile number, and here you can select that which admin option you want to provide to them. After adding users, you can go to manage users. So let's say there are some students whose numbers are changed or whose parents numbers are changed, or you want to remove some students, so you can go to manage users section. Here you will see list of all the students. You can directly search any particular student as well. And here if you go down, you will see this sliding. From here you can edit any particular student, delete student or ban student. Ban will not delete the student but won't allow them to access the system. Now here there is edit classes. So in our myclass campus system, you can add a student in multiple virtual classrooms. So from here you can edit that which classrooms do you want to provide access to the student, so that you can edit from here. Now in manage user, you can do other thing like edit students detail, like go to edit tab, and here you can edit student name, student mobile number, parent one name, parent number, parent two name, parent number. So all that details you can edit. Now next option is classrooms. So here you will be creating different classrooms or groups, we call it as, in which student will be able to participate and receive all the updates on a mobile application. So you can create new classroom from upper side, like add new class, and you can add students in the classrooms or members or faculties from here, add student option. So once you click in on that, you have two options. Either you add a number and add students, so whatever student mobile number or parent mobile number you will add, so system will automatically add that student to particular classroom. Here that classroom is Android. And if you want to add multiple students, then you can simply choose the file. So whatever file we have created for adding user, same file you can use here to add student in the classroom. And another option is, you will see all the files you have created, Excel files, to add users in the system. So you can fetch any particular file, so you will see all the students of that file, and then you can select all those students and add students. So then all these students will be added in particular classroom. So that is how you can add students in different classrooms. So individual entry is also possible, and you can fetch from the Excel files you previously uploaded while adding users. Now next option is access management. So through access management, you can assign different classrooms to different faculties. Like there is a this faculty Vijay, then you can assign different classroom to that particular faculty. So here assigning classroom means this faculty, particular faculty, will be able to operate all this classroom, and they will be able to communicate to students of those classroom. They will be able to take attendance, schedule events, exam marks, everything. So that way you can give as access management to all the faculties of your institute. List of owners, you can see all the owners you have made. You can add new owner, you can delete a particular owner. Institute detail, you can update your institute detail, which will be visible to all the users. Institute setting, where you can provide access settings like who can create classroom, whether you want to show default class member list or not, and allow faculties to create an album or not. Now next option is folder. So this folder means you are allowing creating different folders. Now these folders will be for creating different question banks. Question banks are like database of questions which you can use for creating test or for generating paper. So let's say these are the folders. Now inside you see, then you will see question banks created. If you go to any particular question bank, then you will be able to add questions directly or through import questions. So once you add those questions, you can use those questions for creating test or generating paper. So that is how folder works out. Here there are two questions, you can add new, you can import question through Excel file. So now test. So here you can create different type of schedule and practice tests, which we have already discussed in previous video. So you can explore that option. A paper generator, in that you can generate different papers, like add new paper, so then give name of the paper, math test or whatever, then submit. Now add questions like custom or auto. If you will select auto, then it will give option of all the question banks you have created. Now when you select a folder, then you will select different question banks and then go. Then it will ask how many questions you want to take from first question bank, how many questions from the second, and give name of the section, and then save selection. So it will take two questions from first question bank and three from the second. Once the questions are selected, you can do to I am done, and then it will show all the questions you have selected. Now you go to generate paper. So that is how you can generate a paper. Now fee management, which we have already discussed in another video, and here analysis part, where you can see attendance exam analysis, which you will be doing through a mobile application, exam analysis of all the exam results declared by you, generate report of students, view and generate report, like directly you can generate PDF file as well. So that is how you can see all these options. So this is how an admin panel works. Thank you.